Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines. The COMFEE 1.6 CUFT Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine Mini. We'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one is the right choice for your laundry needs. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE offers a significant advantage with its 1.6 cubic feet capacity, allowing you to wash up to 11 pounds of laundry at once. In contrast, the Portable Washing Machine Mini has a smaller capacity of 11 liters, making it suitable for lighter loads. If you frequently wash larger items or multiple garments, the COMFEE is the clear winner here. Price is another important factor to consider. The COMFEE is priced at $329, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. On the other hand, the Portable Washing Machine Mini is much more budget-friendly at just $79. If you're looking for a more economical option, the Mini is a great choice, but keep in mind that you may sacrifice some features and capacity. In terms of features, the COMFEE stands out with its fully automatic operation and 6 wash programs, catering to various fabric types and washing needs. It also includes a child lock and a delay start feature for added convenience. Conversely, the Portable Washing Machine Mini is semi-automatic with 3 timer settings, making it less versatile but easier to store due to its foldable design. Depending on your laundry habits, you may prefer the advanced features of the COMFEE or the simplicity of the Mini. In conclusion, both the COMFEE 1.6 CUFT Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine Mini have their strengths and weaknesses. The COMFEE is ideal for those who need a larger capacity and more features, while the Mini is perfect for those on a budget or with limited space. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.